Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to do this tutorial for you guys. And on today's video, I will be doing a pink cat kiss. I want to do this cute shade, and I hope you gonna like it. So I'm starting off by applying concealer on my eyelid. So make sure to apply something 2 shades lighter than your skin tone so that the eyeshadow can pop. So I did that and I blended that using my finger. Yeah, you can do it with a brush or a beauty blender or even your finger. So I'm starting with this light brown shade and I want to start with that shade near my eyebrows, and then I will be doing a cut crease down there. So that is just to give a vibe, give another color. Yeah, I want it to blend nicely so that it does not look like concealer. So instead of applying powder, I use the light light shade, light brown shade. Okay, so blend nicely until you achieve that cute look. So I want to do my cut crease and I want to train you on how to know where to cut your cut crease. So for beginners, you apply some concealer on your upper lid and then you lift your eye up. You look up. So where it will draw this part, that line, that cut, you know that is your cut crease area. So that is where I'm gonna do my cut crease. So I cannot go beyond that and I cannot go below that. So if I want a good cut crease, I follow that line. You see, make sure to follow exactly what I'm doing for you to know how to cut your cut crease. Then do it nicely, slowly, and make sure you are very accurate. Do it nicely and make sure you are very accurate. So that's me doing my cut crease. I'm trying to be very perfect. You see, very even, everything, to balance everything. Yeah, you don't need to be in a hurry. So make sure to take your time. Take your time, guys, so that you can have a perfect cut crease. And I love the outcome. I love it. So let's try the second eye the same way. Lift your eye, and where you draw that line, then you need to follow that. Follow that, guys. Make sure to follow that line so that you can know where to do your cut crease. And it's a well-defined line, so make sure to follow that. Do your cut crease nicely. You see, make sure they are almost the same so that you don't do a big cut crease in this eye and a smaller cut crease in the other. Make sure to balance everything. There you go. And I forgot to put a tape. I want to have a very sharp edge. So let me apply my sellotape and start doing my eyeshadow. So I'm using this pink shade at that side. So I'm starting with that pink shade, almost 3/4 of it. I'm doing pink. Then at the front I will do a cream shade. It's not even white, it's cream according to the shade of the palette. So I'm starting with pink and then I will finish that with a cream shade. White, it's almost white, it's almost cream. Yeah, it's in between there. You see how it's looking like? It's very cute. It's a very cute pink. And make sure you blend everything. You need to blend everything perfectly to balance everything. Make sure to be perfect. Make sure not to overdo. Yeah, make sure you do it nicely, guys. And there I am, blending that. Make sure to blend everything out. Be perfect. Take part. Take control. Then you see, I remember I wore this makeup and went out, and people were looking at me like, ah. So I knew I was looking cute, guys. I knew I was looking cute by the look of their eyes. They really admired me, even if they don't say it. I could see it on their eyes. They really admired the look. So the secret here is blend, blend, blend everything. You see, it's very easy. Make sure to blend everything. Don't overdo, do it nicely, take your time. And now it's time to do my eyeliner. Make sure this is a Kiss Beauty eyeliner. Make sure to do it nicely. It's a bit hectic to do your eyeliner, especially for beginners. Take your time. You need to take your time, guys. No need to hurry so that you don't mess up. Especially when you are using this ink eyeliner, you need to take your time, watch out everything so that the eyeliner can come out nicely and cute and neat also. You see? Very nice, guys. Very nice. Tell me you're gonna try this look. Tell me it's cute. Tell me I did it very nicely. I love it, guys. I love it. I want you to know how to do this eyeliner look, this eyeshadow look. You see, make sure you do it nicely. Make sure to be perfect. No hurry, no hurry. Take your time. Yeah, take your time, guys. You see, if you don't want to mess, take your time. I really love the outcome. I really love the outcome. I love, love, love this look. I love, love this look. And I'm gonna remove my tape so that I can continue with under eye look. So I'm doing a waterline lining. So I'm using this pencil. Take your time, guys. Take your time. I'm using this pen to do my waterline lining, and I'm using the concealer brush, foundation, that is concealer brush, to make it look even sharp. Then I'm going in with my mascara to create a base for my false eyelashes. And I really love this look, guys. I'm sorry I will not be showing you how to do the full face makeup, but my interest on the video was to show you a nice shadow look, this pink look eyeshadow, which came out very nicely. So I'm going on with the eyelashes. So I'm looking down on that mirror that you have seen me with and put my false eyelashes. I love them. I love them. So it's a bit hectic to put your eyelashes, but when you get used to, it's become easy. Continue practicing, practice, make it perfect. Yeah. So that was Huda Beauty eyelashes. I've never used them. Let's see how they look on me. Yeah, they don't look bad, they look cute. They don't look bad, they look cute. And I love them. They are good on my eyes. So that is eyelashes color, and this is the final